Okay, today I'm going to be talking about prime numbers. Definition of a prime number is a number that only has the factors of itself and 1. Every number can be multiplied by 1 in itself. That is just a rule for all numbers, both prime and composite. Even if it's composite, it can be multiplied by 1 in itself. I've listed some numbers here. I have listed 1, 4, 38, 29, 6, 7, and 9. You're going to find that they are prime or composite. Let's start off with 1. Is it prime or composite? Well, we know it can be divided by 1 to get 1, but in order to be a prime or composite number, it can't be the same number. So it's neither. So we're not going to fill out either. Let's move on to 4. You know 4 is even, and you can divide that by 2, which equals 2, and you can divide it by 1, which equals 4. So it must be composite. Let's go ahead and circle that. Now we're going to move on to 38. Prime or composite? Well, 37 is odd, and then 38 is even. 38 divided by 2 is 19, so it is composite. 29. Prime or composite? It is odd, but it can still be divided by another number. But I don't think there's any other numbers that it can be divided by besides 1 and 29. So I think that it's prime. Let's circle that. Now let's move on to 6. Prime or composite? 6 is even, so it can be divided by 2 to get 3. I don't know if there's any other factors for that. I'm pretty sure it's just 6 divided by 1 and 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So it is composite. Let's move on to 7. Prime or composite? It's odd, but it could be divided by something. Let's think. I don't know. I don't think it is, so let's circle prime. Now we'll move on to 9. 9 is odd, but it still could be composite. 9 divided by 1 is 9, but 9 divided by 3 is 3. That means it's composite. Even if it's an odd number, it can be composite still. Another definition is from Alex. It says that a prime number is divisible by exactly 2 numbers, 1 in itself. And there's another example. Hope you enjoyed learning about prime numbers. I'm going to put a video up here in a minute for you to watch.
So you want to know what a prime number is. A prime number is a number that has 2 qualities. The first quality is that the number is greater than 1. In other words, all prime numbers are positive and they're all bigger than 1. The second quality for a number to be a prime number is that its only factors are 1 and itself. In other words, a prime number has to be greater than 1 and its only factors can be 1 in that number. So let's find some prime numbers. Since they have to be greater than 1, let's look at 2 first. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. 2's only factors are 1 and 2, so 2 is a prime number. What about 3? Is 3 a prime number? Yes. 3's only factors are 1 and 3. What about 4? Nope. 4 has factors of 1, 2, and 4, not just 1 and 4. So 4 is not a prime number. What about 5? Yes, 5's a prime number too. So is 7. So is 11. So is 13, 17, and 19. And I could go on and on forever finding you prime numbers, but you probably have other things to do. Plus, I think you get the picture.